the company, when they come to hire the guy, what you're saying is they have to have, if they've invested a little bit in the student, they are also serious about it. Correct. Or in Vishwakarma's case, they've experienced a student, they are the thing. Where we were doing this was in when 2014 to 2015, 16. Right. At that time, companies did not know what they wanted to hire. In the sense, they said, okay, this certification given by government may not be good, but they're not looking at the quality of education, they're not looking at the experiential learning part. The other point is that yes, they try to organize the learning sector with sector skill councils and all of that, right? But the evaluation of that was still in the old format where I can easily game it. I just need to memorize and I'm able to qualify that. So that qualification had no value. So maybe I would shift the focus onto the way the certificate is acquired. Is it a written memory-based examination or is it an application-based
problem solving?
It should be application-based, actually.
Yes. So then that certification has value suddenly. That is what we learned.
That is true for all the edtech companies which are handing over certification. No, those are all memorized learning at best.
Yes.
And they claim that they'll give some problem and they'll solve, but those are all synthetic data. It's not real data. I mean, when you work on synthetic data,
yeah, so
exactly.
Synthesize it.
Yeah.
So Sandeep just mentioned about the synthetic data. So like we always try to learn what recruiters are expecting. So being autonomous, like we have a freedom to restructure our curriculum. So we have a very good thing here, and that's industry selective. So what we do, like many recruiters or companies have a very specific niche demand of technology. And though we are autonomous, we need to stick to the basic fundamental engineering subjects. Of course, we try to add the cutting edge technology subjects in curriculum. So we invite companies, they come, they give a specific subject or specific syllabus that we fit into our curriculum, the 40 years curriculum. The industry send their expert to train our students. And in that way, every semester we have 2 or 3 industry electives from the different companies. And later these industries, these companies, if they want to hire, they hire from this batch. So that's the module, industry selective module. We have one more module, that's industry projects module. So like Sandeep mentioned, like students are trained on the synthetic data. So that's not a real world problems. So we go to industries, we ask them for the problem statements. Many companies respond to us and they give us the real problem statements to our students. We have expert faculties who did their PhDs from IITs and IITs. So our faculties and a group of students, they work on the problem statement and they deliver different solutions to the companies. So in that way, till date, we have worked with almost 400 different companies. We have assigned MOUs with the different companies. We have established a center of excellence, industry-sponsored labs in our campus through this activity. And that becomes very successful activity. Now, many companies, they are absorbing the students through this industry project work. The student do the 6 months or 1 year industry project with the company, and later they like the student and they absorb the students in their organization. So in that way, we try to give a real life experience, real industry experience to our students within the campus itself.